trying to get out of it. Look. Look
at the size of it on the window.
Oh my gosh.
Look at the size of it.
Oh my
Oh
word.
my God, look at that. Look.
Oh, ow. That got my foot.
Oh, my truck.
Oh,
Your truck.
my truck.
Your car.
Thanks. I'm going to have to call the insurance company. Look at all that under the rose bush. Oh my gosh, look that piece right there. Don't get it. Oh my gosh. That's crazy.
Yeah, it might be a video for the insurance.
Ow! It's coming up under here. Golly. This is crazy. Ow! It's like, yeah. Yeah. I don't think I've ever seen hail this bad. Have you? Oh gosh! Oh! Ow! Ow! Ow!
It's hitting my face.
It's hitting everything. Oh my god!
I can't pay anything.
You can't?
No, because they don't have that paint no more.
Oh! Charlie!
Go ahead.
Oh! Golly, this is crazy.
They really just called for it that quick.
Wow. Wow. This is so weird. Yeah. Sherbert's like, what? What's going on? Hey, look at this side.
Yeah, some of everywhere. I think it stopped now. So it's just rain.
Oh, hello, sorry. The yard is like covered in ice. This is crazy. That was insane. Right?
Insurance company's gonna be getting phone calls now.
Oh yeah. That was insane.